How to develop and build Xrpl Island game. Chapter 1, Introduction. 1. Overview of the game development process. 2. Setting up the development environment. Chapter 2, Choosing the right engine. 1. Comparison of Unity and Unreal Engine for building the game. 2. Deciding on the best engine for the project. Chapter 3, Designing the game world. 1. Creating the concept and layout of the island. 2. Implementing terrain and environment design. Chapter 4, Character and Asset Creation. 1. Designing and creating player characters and NPCs. 2. Building and importing assets for the game world. Chapter 5, Game Mechanics and Interactions. 1. Implementing survival and exploration gameplay mechanics. 2. Designing puzzles and challenges for players. Chapter 6, Multiplayer and Networking. 1. Setting up the game for multiplayer and online play. 2. Implementing matchmaking and server infrastructure. Chapter 7, Virtual Reality and Augmented Reality Integration. 1. Incorporating VR and AR technology into the game. 2. Enhancing player immersion and engagement. Chapter 8, Monetization and Revenue Generation. 1. Implementing in-game purchases and microtransactions. 2. Incorporating blockchain technology for secure and transparent transactions. Chapter 9, Real Estate Design in the Metaverse. 1. Understanding the importance of spatial design. 2. Creating a sense of place and community. 3. Incorporating user-generated content. 4. Monetizing virtual real estate through NFTs and other blockchain-based solutions. Chapter 10, Best Practices and Tips for Success. 1. Tips and advice for developing and launching the game. 2. Best practices for maintaining and updating the game. Chapter 11, Legal and Regulatory Considerations. 1. Researching and understanding the legal and regulatory landscape for the game. 2. Implementing measures to ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Chapter 12, Security and Privacy. 1. Implementing measures to ensure the security and privacy of players. 2. Protecting against cyber threats and data breaches. Chapter 13, User Experience and User Interface Design. 1. Designing a user-friendly and intuitive user experience. 2. Creating a visually appealing and cohesive user interface. Chapter 14, Partnerships and Collaborations. 1. Identifying potential partnerships and collaborations that can enhance the game. 2. Negotiating and establishing partnerships with relevant organizations or individuals. Chapter 15, Marketing and Promotions. 1. Developing a marketing and promotion strategy for the game. 2. Implementing marketing campaigns to attract players. 3. Evaluating the effectiveness of marketing efforts and adjusting as needed. Chapter 16, Data Analysis and Insights. 1. Gathering data on player behavior and engagement within the game. 2. Analyzing data to gain insights on player preferences and trends. 3. Using data insights to inform decision-making and improve the player experience. Chapter 17, Content Development and Management. 1. Identifying and sourcing content for the game. 2. Managing and organizing content within the game. 3. Ensuring that content is of high quality and relevant to players. Chapter 18, Customer Support and Services. 1. Setting up a customer support system for the game. 2. Providing timely and helpful support to players. 3. Developing a customer service strategy to ensure player satisfaction. Chapter 19, Financing and Funding. 1. Identifying financing and funding options for the game. 2. Negotiating and securing funding as needed. Chapter 20, Sustainability and long-term success. 1. Developing a sustainability plan for the game. 2. Ensuring that the game is financially viable and sustainable in the long term. 3. Identifying and addressing potential challenges to the long-term success of the game.